So I start with the idea that we cannot conserve something that we don't know.
High in the Andean equatorial region, there is a fantastic endemic ecosystem, the Paramo. Here, even with extreme environmental conditions, life blooms. There is full of life in here, a variety of colors, a wide variety of shapes, and a variety of ecological services that maintain planetary health.
Paramos are really important because they provide a lot of services in terms of biogeochemical interactions, biodiversity, carbon sequestration, storage and provision of water, and also other cultural services. So we live in the city, but we completely depend on the Paramo ecosystem.
The vegetation captures the fog and the rain, moving water from the atmosphere to the earth. The spaces between salt particles, organic matter content, and volcanic origin metals make the soil seem like a sponge that stores water and slowly releases it for rivers to flow. Right above this Paramo, another ecosystem waits, a wide covered one that has already been impacted by climate change. Where there used to be ice is nothing more than some rocks. The glacier is melting faster than ever before, and each year its boundaries are gone. Back in the Paramos, about climate change impacts, we are not really sure. The changing patterns of precipitation could modify the discharges, affecting the drinking water supply or even causing floods.
With climate change, we will have a variation in precipitation. So in that sense, the Paramos, what they do is like to store these peaks, these high peaks of precipitation, and they drain this excess of water into the system during dry season. So they are very important to regulate this heavy, let's say, increase of flow in the system. Based on the different scientific evidence, we have seen that the soil, the Paramos, because of their property, they sequester a lot of different carbon pools. So as long as we don't change the land cover of the Paramos, we can consider Paramos as sinks of carbon instead of sources. So indeed, they have a very important role in climate change, to tackle climate change.
The same organic matter that helps with water regulation is considered as a carbon stock, so the carbon is not emitted but kept it into the soil.
Academics, our role is to find scientific answers to those questions that are not well understood. So to create awareness among the people, not only the students but also the citizens, stakeholders, to really make them understand where the water comes from, what is the importance and the role of these ecosystems that are outside the city and sometimes we just simply don't know.